What it do, folks? It's your guy TopDownKickz with a Z. And for today's video, I got a pair of these Air Jordan Retro 3 called the Animal, I think 2.0 SE, whatever, blah, blah, blah. As you can tell, these bad boys is beat. We're gonna turn them to some heat. And straight out the jump, you're gonna need a razor to pluck any rocks, any chips from the pavement. We're gonna go ahead and get those out of here. So in this very next step, I'm gonna take this shoe sauce. We gonna sauce it down, put that dab on there, man. You know what it do. TopDownKickz with a Z. And just trust the process. And I cut back to you on the next step. Nothing much, nothing more. We just gonna let these bad boys ice for about 2 hours for 3 sessions. And here's the results. These bad boys came out better than before, because they was definitely beat. And as you can see, clear, still need a lot of attention. So if you know me, you know I use this acetone with the rag. Get the rest of that dirt, any remains of stains. This should get it out. At least 90% of the time it does. And I'm gonna let some of this play off. You know, if you got to, man, drop a comment down below. Not last but least, I like to take the shoe trees, put them in the shoe to uncrease the creasing, right? Of course, if you made it this far, make sure you smash that like button. Follow my TikTok at TopDownKickz. If any questions, any ideas of what type of video I should be making next, you know, hit me up on that, drop a comment. But I do have a video later down the road. I'm thinking about, you know, start recording videos of me buying beaters and steels. Also still doing my how-to videos. First, I got to get me some type of cam and whatnot. But just know, it's coming soon. I got an IG coming. I got to make me, you know, I got my TikTok. I think I need to make an IG and not Twitter right now. So we're going to see how that goes. But if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Zee!